Welcome back to our channel. Here I am going to perform a pedal calibration on Pad HT500X. First step, you have to disconnect the power supply and you have to press the right arrow button, press and hold. While pressing this arrow key, the button right side, you have to reconnect the power supply. Hold it down until you see the display and release. As you can see, our view, the highlight is on a pedal calibration. Yeah, if you change this, or if you found that the highlighted is not on the pedal calibration, you have to use the arrow up and arrow down to select. So now I'm going to select the pedal calibration, and then after that we have to press the button view, one press only, and now the display is pedal calibration duty cycle, which is 0. Now we have to go to the pedal. The position must be on the heel side. This one is down, this one is up, and then after that we have to press the A button, and then as you can see, the value changed from 0 to 100. Now next step, we have to move the pedal to 2 side. This one is down and here is up, and then after that we have to press the B button, press, and as you can see, it's responding. And then next step, you have to press the C button. This pedal must be remain on the same position, don't change it. Now I'm going to press the C button. Okay, as you can see, we got a display scaled pedal value, which is 0. Now you are going to double check if we did the correct sequence. I am going to move the pedal, and this number must be changed accordingly. I'm going to move it on the hillside and then down. As you can see, it varies depending on how I move the pedal. So meaning we did the right calibration on this pedal. And the final step to make it sure that this calibration that we perform, to make it sure that it will save to the system, we have to press the D. This is the final steps to save the value, and I'm going to press D, and the display is returned back to pedal calibration. And as you can see, you see the P, which is passed, and our calibration is successfully done. After that, you have to remove the cable and then reconnect it again. Okay, so for this video, that's all, and hope you like this video and learn something. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much, and God bless us.